Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow, clear, and black pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. And you're going to start by putting on 3 pink. You'll hold these ends together and let these beads go to the middle. The next row will be 3 clear. And you're going to take this end and it's going to go across these. Okay, you're going to hold the ends and then pull these down. Try to make your strings even. We're going to add 3 pink. You're going to take this string, it's going to go across. And now that we have this started, you can just hold these ends and pull. Okay, now we're going to add 3 black on both strings. Our next color, we're going to add 3 orange. This string's going to go across. You're going to grab your ends and pull. Okay, we're going to add clear, 3 clear. This string's going to go across. You'll hold your ends and pull. You're going to add 3 orange. Take this end and go across. We're going to add 3 black on both sides. We're going to start the next color, yellow. You're going to need 3 yellow, and then this string's going to go across. You're going to grab the ends and pull. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Now if this is loose, you're going to want to pull down on these to tighten it a little bit. You don't want it super tight, but you don't want it too loose either. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep repeating this with each color. So we're going to finish yellow, green, blue, and then purple. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, I have all my colors on. I ended with the purple, and then I added 3 black on each side here. And what we need to do is connect these. So we're going to take this piece of string and go across the 3 pink. And then you'll take this end, match it with the other one. You're going to pull that tight and then tie it. Now we're going to put our needle on the string. Go ahead and go across these 3 pink, because we need string on both sides. And we're going to go up these 2 black. Okay, so to make this easier, I'm just going to flip it so we can work in this direction. I think it's just easier for me and probably for you guys too. So we're going to add a black, purple, clear, purple, and black. So we're just matching up the pattern we already have color-wise, and then we're going to go through the middle black bead. Now we're going to do that for blue. So black, blue, clear, clear, blue, black. And then you go through the middle. We're going to do that for green. Go through this middle black. That's what it looks like. Do that with yellow. Go through the middle. Whoops. We're going to go through the middle. And this time we're going to go through these two black. And, well, we'll just leave that for right now. Now I'm going to flip this inside out, just so we can work in the same direction. So I'm putting my needle on the other side, and we need to go through these two black beads, and we're going to do the same exact thing. So black, purple, clear, purple, black. And we're going to go through the middle black bead. Okay, so we're going to do that for all the colors, just like we did over here. And then I'll show you how to tie this. Okay guys, I'm at the end here and I added my last beads. So what we're going to do is go through these two black and then all three of these purple, so these strings match up, and then we can tie it. You're going to want to pull that and then tie it off. Cut that. Okay, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.